Welcome back to the channel. It's looking a little rough right now, but we're getting there. As you can see, making progress, and hopefully before you know it, we'll be firing this pig up. So really excited about the progress we've been making. I'm anxious to do another podcast, get another friend over here in the passenger seat and have some fun talking Jeeps and off-roading. So hopefully coming pretty soon. I'm going to get somebody up here and we'll get another podcast out. So let me know in the comments what you think of the podcast. I've only done a couple episodes and they've been pretty spaced out. Haven't really done a lot with them, but it was fun when we did it and I'd like to do it again. So let me know what in the comments if you like the podcast, if you want to see more of it. Any suggestions about topics, questions in addition to what the ones I've asked. But yeah, hopefully I'll get another one soon. And if you give us a like, do the comments, enjoy seeing the comments, and I reply to every single one of them. And subscribe if you'd like. We'd like that. That'd help the channel as well. So hopefully you're watching the progress we're making on old Thunderbolt here, putting it back together. And I'm hoping to be firing this thing up by let's see. First, right now, I'm going to set a goal. Hopefully by, let's say, this is January 2nd. Man, I don't know if we can make it or not, but let's shoot for 1 month. February 2nd as a first fire update. May not have everything ready to drive it or run it for very long. I don't know if I have a radiator, but we can turn it over and see if we can get this thing to start. Let's shoot for February 2nd. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.